Is Luna Terra a buying profit now? Terra is a blockchain protocol that uses fiat-pegged stablecoins to power price-stable global payment systems. According to its white paper, Terra combines the price stability and wide adoption of fiat currencies with the censorship resistance of Bitcoin (BTC) and offers fast and affordable settlements. Development on Terra began in January 2018, and its mainnet officially launched in April 2019. As of September 2020, it offers stable coins pegged to the U.S. dollar, South Korean won, Mongolian tugrik, and the International Monetary Fund's special drawing rights basket of currencies, and it intends to roll out additional options. Terra's native token, Luna, is used to stabilize the price of the protocol's stable coins. Luna holders are also able to submit and vote on governance proposals. On Crypto.com info available on Luna, market cap is $843.7 million. Rank on number 231. Its price is now $0.000129. Past price or all-time high was $119. 18. Is Luna a good investment in 2022? How Luna was created. Quan Du Hyang, nicknamed Du Quan, is the creator of the Terra Platform Labs. Luna has been created by him. Who is Du Quan? He is from the prestigious Stanford University, and he is one of the best leaders of cryptocurrencies. Luna was created to make crypto stable. Terraform Labs use two cryptos, USD and Luna. In April, Luna was worth $119, and the coin was in good shape and generate a huge profit. In 24 hours, Luna lost 98% of its worth price. More than $40 billion of loss. Du Quan is under investigation from the investors. Furthermore, some Korean investors opened protests in front of his house in Korea, and one of them has been arrested. Despite all, Du Quan is still working to improve his Terraform Labs. From $119 to 0.000129. Can you buy Luna? Probably, if the mission is still kept. Terra needs new investors? Skeptical about this big loss, inflation, recession, and other fear in the world can kill Luna more down. Are there any better coins than Luna? Stay connected, follow the page.